Hi, welcome to the new video. Today, as you can see, I'm doing the cross with the chain. I used the eggshell colored background. It's also Chromolux carton. I put down the negative stencil and I'm doing now the shadow work, so you get the 3D effect. So I'm just following the line of the stencil. So now I'm showing how I'm painting on this light background. So I put spray glue behind the stencils, and now I'm putting in the gaps and the cover stencil, the outside of the negative form. So each one of these has a number so that you can find and fit them. If I'm painting a dark background, because I need the black for the first step of the chain, I'll just cover up the area and make it a little bit lighter with the outside of the cross, so you can skip this work. So I'm positioning the cross and chain positive stencil first, then I put in all the stencils that I need, and now I can do the black positive of the cross and chain. Colors is, as always, is black and white as opaque, and the other colors are transparent. In this case, there's only a dark blue for the second step, that I get like a gray, a bluish gray, so it looks more like silver. If you want to make it gold, you can use like yellow and the light brown, which I usually mix myself. The light brown is 90% yellow and 10% purple, so you get light brown and gold tones with this. So now I've laid down the black, and when I remove the stencils, you can see how nicely it looks with the 3D shadows. So then I'm putting back in the cover stencil for the cross, so I can paint the small gaps in the cross and also in the chain. And now there lies the hard work to match the background color through the gaps. So here there's the eggshell color, and I'm using a little bit of yellow. So now I'm switching to white, And I'm laying down the second stencil. So here comes all the detail work in the cross and the chain. And I'm not using the full white, but like less opacity, so that I get a gray tone. And now I'm switching to the dark blue, so I get like this gray blue, and it looks nicely for silver tones. And as a finish, I'm doing the highlight white. And I'm using the full opaque white for this. So and if you use a darker background, you can just cover the area, so you have the black for the cross, and then you use the gray and the white. So this would be like a 3-minute job. And if you highlight the area around the cross, you can also make the shadow for the 3D effect. So now I'm using the second stencil again to highlight some areas. And that's about it. If you like my channel, you can subscribe for more videos, and hope to see you soon. Bye.